Hi everybody, my name is Doug, and today we're going to be taking a first look at this mattress right here. This is the Latex Hybrid Mattress by Lucid, and this one's in the 12-inch variety. I previously did a video on the 10-inch variety, so this one, obviously, is 2 inches thicker. I ordered this on Amazon, and it cost around $425 at the time I ordered it for queen size. Be sure to check because prices change frequently. So this has an extra ½ inch of latex in it compared to the 10-inch, and then by reworking the overall foam layers and the coils, it has 2 total inches more height. So whereas the 10-inch was the most firm of the Lucid Hybrid series, this would be the second most firm. And then there's 2 other models that are memory foam, which are going to be the soft and the very soft. So I'll review it here, but before I can review it, I got to get it out of the box. Now my intention is to sleep on this for 3 to 7 nights roughly, and then I'll let you know what I think. By the way, there is some duct tape on here. The box was pretty beat up when it was delivered by UPS or FedEx, one of the two. So I just added those to get it up the stairs without any risk of the box coming open. If you appreciate videos like this one, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. So if you'll take a moment to do that, I would appreciate it. And now the unboxing. Here we go. Got that done. Well, what do you think? Unfortunately, I unboxed it so that the cool label end is on that end, but I don't have enough strength to rotate it right now. I'm a little worn out. In the unboxing process, despite my best efforts, I cut through both layers of plastic just a little bit when I was doing the initial cut. So it started unwrapping and expanding faster than I wanted it to. So you'll notice I had to flip it over while it was expanding. So if you have to, you have to, but try not to make my mistake. Try to only cut through 1 layer of the plastic with any mattress you're unboxing when you first do it. Position it, then cut open the second layer and let it start expanding. But anyhow, first impressions. Smells okay. There's a little bit of the new mattress smell, but not very much. Comfort-wise, first lay down feels pretty good, but there's not been enough time for the memory foam and latex layers to expand yet. So I'm feeling a little more coiled than I normally would. So I will give this a full day or most of a full day to expand. And then if you check back in a few weeks, I'll have a full video review of this. Thanks, folks. Catch you later.